Alright, we're back on the 80 today, and I have a very mint install I'm kind of keen for, because it'll make getting into the 80 much easier. We have keyless entry system. So this is the one from eBay. You may have seen the same video on the Aussie Arvo's channel, and he actually did it on his 80 series as well, so that video is really going to help me installing today. So yeah, we'll get right into it. So we're going to rip into getting this door cut off. Pretty much all you need is screwdrivers, Phillips and flathead. So the main reason I'm doing this is because the key barrel on this side doesn't work. So while we're in there, we might have a look at fixing that as well, but if we can't, no problem, because we got that thing. So first thing with this, I believe, is pulling up these two panels, and then there's a screw here, here, and then underneath those ones. We're in. So gotten the door panel off, fairly easy, as you would have seen. Just pry off those back panels, a couple of screws, and it all came off. And the clips. So I've just been having a gaze, and obviously someone's been in here before because there's no plastic on there. I had a look at the key barrel, and I'll show you why that one's not working. Hopefully you guys can see in there. But you can see it moves, but there's nothing on the end of it to unlock. And I've looked down the door and I can't find the little metal bit that's supposed to be on there to lock it. We're essentially all wired up with signal here, tapping into the two wires here. So pretty much just from Aussie Arvo's video, figured out that it is the white and black wire goes to the blue and yellow wire, and then the white wire goes to the blue and black wire. So that'll have my signal set up. Now I just need to find a constant power wire, which I think is the thicker red and black ones here, but I'm just trying to confirm because I don't want to cut into it if I'm not 100% sure. So once I got that, then I'll be able to wire up the red and black ones here, and then we'll have signal and this will work.
12 seconds later.
That took a while, but I found a forum, whoever this bloke is, you're a legend, that pretty much said the blue wire up here is constant positive, and the white and black wire up at this green control module is a constant negative. So I don't know if you guys can hear that click, but that means it's working. Now I'm just going to go back and watch the Aussie Arvo's video real quick again to remember which Y is in which. Now is the moment of truth. Uh-oh. Oh. Of course. I gotta ground these two as well. Oh, I read that too. I don't know where to ground them now. Alright, I've just packed everything up for tonight because I have a Minions movie to get to with the boys, so I'll fix that back up tomorrow. It's literally just splicing two wires back into the negative, and then I'll have to put the door card back. But I might check out the window tomorrow as well and try and fix that. So see you in about half a second. Bye. We're back for day 2, and I didn't actually get to see the Minion movie last night because the cinema was booked out, which was a bit sad. But anyway, we still had a good night. I'm just going to show you how I currently get into the 80 and why I want to do this central locking thing. So currently, keep in mind this is the passenger side. I'll unlock this, other way. And then usually my door card isn't on my front seat, but I'm gonna reach across. and press the unlock button for all the doors like that. Things first. Yesterday, the whole day, I was squatting here when I literally have this seat that I bought from Super Cheap for that exact reason. I'll peep the Crocs as well. For that exact reason. So I don't have to do that. And I only just remembered that today, so I'm an idiot. Anyway, so the problem with yesterday why it wasn't working, I literally knew this as well, I just completely forgot. These two yellow wires here need to be earthed as well. So that's why when I tried to test it yesterday, I only got the clicking sound because, oh, the knobs are over there, because it's getting power, but these two aren't grounded, so it's not actually going to work, if that makes sense. I don't understand wiring, man. I just do what I'm told. So pretty much what I'm going to do is splice them into this black wire here, so they're all onto the same earth, and then we should be right to go. So the plan is, I don't know if you can see, I'm going to cut the black wire down here, have one of them going to this side of the crimp, have the other one going to the other side of the crimp, so I don't have to try and splice 3 wires in together, because I feel like that just doesn't work in my head. It might work, but I'm a potato, so I'm going to do it this way. Peep the TikTok for my sick transitions. I also only just remembered that I should probably make a TikTok right now. So it's going to be like a half TikTok of me literally wiring up 2 wires and then putting the door card on, and it's going to work, but it's going to be a sick TikTok, so you should go watch it. So yeah, let's get that done, eh? I might... Alright, so slightly dodgy, but is anything I do on this channel not? So I didn't actually have any of these ones because I'd stuffed up a couple of crimps, so you know. So instead I just got the spade and I don't even know what the other side's called, but like the plug one. Put those together, connected them up, and now let's test it. How cool is that? And it does it for the back as well. Locked, unlocked. Oh my god. Let's go. Just call me an auto Sparky. All good. Remote locking on a 32-year-old car. I'm gonna clean all this up now. So all these wires that I'm currently not using don't need to be used, so I can snip them. So I just gotta be careful. That way it'll just make it heaps easier to clean all this up. So now that those are out of the way, get out of it. There we go, make sure it still works. Sure does. Alright, cool. So now, lecky tape all that up, Ziploc bag, whack it in the door, zip tie it up, door panel on, done. Oh my god, that was a hustle. So, I lecky taped literally everything up, it was perfect. And then as I'm pulling off the last lecky tape, I pull really hard and the crimp pulls out, which is kind of good because, well, it made me want to cry, but it's also good to know because obviously my crimp was really bad. I've fixed it now, these ones are good, just need to lecky tape that up. I've got all this in a plastic bag so that it won't get wet in the bottom here, and then I'm just going to zip tie it to the side, so once I eventually fix the window and the window can go down, then yeah, it won't get in the way. door card's back on now. One thing that I can say about that is make sure you don't do the screws too hard because it will crack the plastic. So just tight enough that it's not going to come off. But other than that, we're all done. So we'll get another test just to make sure. Locks, unlocks. We'll close the door. Lock it. So now, front and back both don't open. Also, same with the boot as well. So I've locked it. Boot don't open. Unlock. The boot opens. I reckon that's pretty sick. How good? Alright, I reckon it's time to wrap this video up. We'll wrap up this video here. First off, I'll start by apologising for the long time in between videos. I say this pretty much every video, but it is a bit difficult. I am on uni holidays at the moment, but I've been working. I've had family over from Perth, so it has been a bit packed. But we've got this video out today, and thankfully I actually filmed 2 videos today. So you'll have another video next week, 100%. I'm going back to uni next week, so we'll see how I go with that. I'm going to do my best to film more, but as for today though, very happy with this install. So it is keyless entry system. I'll link it down below. Literally like 20 something bucks to like shipped here and installed, and now the 80 has wireless entry. I don't know if you can hear that. I didn't hook up the indicators because if you can't tell, I hate wiring. Well, I don't hate it, it's rewarding, but I'm not good at it, so I don't like it. I'd much rather mess around with mechanical stuff all day than wiring. But yeah, anyway, going off on a tangent. So yeah, you'll have another video next week, so get keen for that. If you like this video, hit the like button. If you have anything to tell me, what I could have done better, all that sort of stuff, chuck them down in the comments down below. And if you're new here, hit that subscribe button, because I think by the time this video has gone out, we may have just hit 600 because we're at 599 right now. So if we have, fantastic. Let's get to 700. So cheers for watching, guys. Have a good one. See you later.